Hello students, standard 6th, subject is English grammar. Today we will do the revision of English. The last 3 questions remain, means we have completed the question number 4 and question number 5. So first today we will see question number 1 AB, question number 2 AB and question number 3 AB. So in the first question we have write whether the following words are abstract or concrete noun. So here write whether the following words are abstract or concrete noun. I told you about the abstract and concrete noun that if the thing is we can see, we can touch, or we can hear, we can smell, we can taste, that is we can say concrete noun. And opposite of the concrete noun, that is we can call abstract noun, means we can't see, we can't touch, we can't hear, we can't taste. Okay, that is abstract noun. For example, we will see the examples I have written. That is, I have written here creativity. Creativity is an abstract noun. Why? Answer is written here. Creativity, it's an abstract noun. Why abstract noun? Because creativity we can't see, creativity we can't touch. Okay, so that is why it's an abstract noun. Then mobile phone. So mobile phone, here it's a concrete noun. Why? Because mobile phone we can see, that is why it's a concrete noun. Then conqueror. So conqueror also we can see, that's a concrete noun. Then other we have conquest. So conquest we can't see, so it's an abstract noun. I have written with an answer, so please be careful in your examination, like these words are given and you have to identify it's a concrete or abstract noun. Then book. So can you touch the book? Can you see the book? Yes, we can touch and we can see. So it's a concrete noun. Then love. So love, can we see? No. Can we hear? No. But we can feel it. So it's a abstract noun. Then 7 number is confidence. આપણી જોડે કોન્ફિડન્સ હોય છે પણ આપણને ખ્યાલ હોય છે ક્યાં છે, કંઈ આપણી બાજુમાં બેઠેલું હોય છે ના. તો કોન્ફિડન્સ મીન્સ વી કેન નોટ સી બટ વી કેન અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ, વી કેન રિયલાઇઝ, વી કેન ફીલ. સો દેટ્સ વાય ઇટ્સ અ એબ્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ નાઉન. પોવર્ટી. સો પોવર્ટી ઇટ્સ એન ઓલ્સો એબ્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ. વાય કે ગરીબાઈ, પોવર્ટી યાની કે ગરીબ, ગરીબી જે કહેવાય તે. સો વી કેન નોટ see poverty, we cannot touch it but we can feel it, so it's a abstract noun. Brick. So brick we can see into, right? So brick also it's an concrete noun. Loyalty. So loyalty can we see? No. આપણા ફ્રેન્ડ લોયલ હોવા જોઈએ, તો લોયલ એટલે એકદમ સારા, આપણને ધોકો નહીં એવી રીતે ના લે આપણી. સો એક લોયલ એક જોઈએ, એક સારું, એક તો એબ્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ નાઉન છે લોયલ્ટી. ઇટ્સ એન એબ્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ નાઉન. 11 number happiness. So happiness it's an abstract noun. ખુશીઓ, રાઈટ. ટાઈમ. હા, ઘડિયાળમાં કાંટા ફરે છે પણ કેટલો ટાઈમ, કયો ટાઈમ, વી કેન નોટ સી ધ ટાઈમ એક્ઝેક્ટલી. સો ટાઈમ ઇટ્સ એન abstract noun. Then pleasure. So pleasure it's an abstract noun. Why? Because pleasure આપણને લાઈક પ્લેઝર મળે છે બટ ક્યાંથી મળે છે કયું આપણને ખબર હોતી નથી. ઇટ્સ એન મીન્સ વી કાન્ટ સી, સો ઇટ્સ એન એબ્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ નાઉન. ઇન્ટેલિજન્સ ઇટ્સ એન ઓલ્સો એબ્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ નાઉન. એંગર, ગુસ્સો, ઇટ્સ એન ઓલ્સો એબ્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ નાઉન. દેન લાસ્ટ વન ઇઝ ટોફી. સો ટોફી વી કેન સી, યસ વી કેન ટેસ્ટ ઇટ. સો ટોફી ઇટ્સ એન એબ્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ નાઉન. Now here is about the question number 1. Write whether the following words are abstract or concrete. Now we will see the 17 number and 20 to 70. See, juice, yes we can taste it. Juice આપણે પી શકીએ છીએ અને જોઈ શકીએ છીએ. So juice is also concrete noun. Trust, વિશ્વાસ. We cannot see the trust, we cannot touch the trust, but we can understand, we can feel. So it's an abstract noun. Picture. આપણે પિક્ચર જોઈ શકીએ છીએ. So it's an also concrete noun. And the last one is peace. Peace, it's an abstract noun. Now here we have the underline the countable nouns and circle the uncountable noun. So we have to circle what? We have to circle the uncountable noun, and we have to underline the countable noun. I have already done the countable noun. See, pleasure, please, first question we will see. Uncountable and countable, you know कि uncountable यानी कि गणी ना सकाय तेवुं, અને countable means we can count it, that is countable noun. So first we will see sentence, please pour some milk into the pot. So here the pot we can see, but milk, so milk here it's an uncountable noun. Milk here it's an what? Uncountable noun. We cannot count the milk. Second sentence we will see, we found many hotels on the highway. So here I have completed that hotels here it's an uncountable noun. Then third number, please give me some water. So here which is the uncountable noun? It is water. We cannot count the water. So water here it's an uncountable noun. The next is keep the boxes on the table. So in this sentence two countable nouns are there. One is boxes, second is table. Fifth number, they clicked many photographs with their camera. So both are the countable noun, photographs and camera. We can count photographs and we can count camera. So it is uncountable noun. Next is sixth number, I need to trim my hair. So here which is countable noun or uncountable noun? Yes, hair. So hair here it's an countable noun? No, hair here it's an uncountable noun. Means we have to do circle on it. આપણે વાળને કાઉન્ટ કરી શકતા નથી. So hair here it's an uncountable noun. Next is 7 number, there aren't enough chairs in the classroom. So there aren't enough chairs in the classroom. So both are the countable nouns. Sorry, I have forgot to draw underline. So chairs here it's an countable noun and classroom here it's an countable noun. આપણે ખુરશીને પણ ગણી શકાય ને ક્લાસરૂમને પણ ગણી શકાય. So both are the countable nouns. 8 number, there is lot of traffic today. So here traffic it's an uncountable noun. We cannot count traffic. Okay, so traffic here it's an uncountable noun. Next is, my uncle gave me a great deal of advice. So here uncle it's an uncountable noun. Okay, see here this is the round, great ની ઉપર જે રાઉન્ડ છે એને ના કરતા, ઇટ્સ અ પ્રિન્ટિંગ મિસ્ટેક, આનું મિસ્ટેક થયેલી છે ટાઈપિંગ મિસ્ટેકમાં, તો એ એને કાઉન્ટ કરતા નહીં. ગ્રેટ આમાં 9 નંબરના સેન્ટેન્સમાં ઓનલી અંકલ ઇટ્સ એન કાઉન્ટેબલ નાઉન છે. દેન સુનિતા હેઝ લોંગ બ્લેક હેર. સુનિતા જોડે લાંબા બ્લેક હેર છે, યાની કે હેર આવ્યું અગેન. So it's a uncountable noun. The next is 11 number, can you get me a glass of water please? તો અહીંયા water it's an uncountable noun. Last one is 12 number, the gardeners are watering the plants. So the gardeners it's a countable noun and plants is also countable nouns. So understood countable and uncountable noun. Uncountable noun you have to do underline and countable noun you have to do circle. Okay, now we will see the question number 2a, that is match the following pairs. Means match the nouns of masculine gender with the correct nouns of feminine gender. આપણે જેન્ડર થ્રુ આપણે મેલનો જેન્ડર હશે તો આપણે ફિમેલના જેન્ડર થ્રુ એને મેચ કરવાનું છે. તો મેં અહીંયા આન્સર સાથે લખેલા છે, પણ તમારી જોડે ખાલી હશે એક્ઝામમાં કોઈ એ અને બી, અને તમારે એના આન્સર લખવાના છે. હવે તમે એક્ઝામમાં કેવી રીતે લખશો? ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ક્વેશ્ચન 1 હસબન્ડ, તો એનો આન્સર શું છે? વાઇફ. તો એની સામે ડાયરેક્ટ આન્સર કરીને વાઇફ લખશો. એમાં જરૂરી નહીં કે તમે આવી રીતે EBCD એવું લખો. ડાયરેક્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન 1 એની આન્સર 1 હસબન્ડ, તો એનો આન્સર છે વાઇફ. તો આવી રીતે આન્સર એક્ઝામમાં લખી દેજો. ક્રોસ આવું કરવાની જરૂરત નથી, યા તો આવી રીતે ખાલી ઓપ્શન લખવાના નહીં, આવી રીતે આન્સર લખવાનું છે. અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? તો ચલો આપણે બધાને એક વાર આન્સર જોઈ લઈએ. ફર્સ્ટ છે હસબન્ડ. સો મસ્ક્યુલાઇન મીન્સ મેલ નામ હસબન્ડ છે, તો હસબન્ડનું ફિમેલ શું થાય? તો કે વાઇફ. વોટ? વાઇફ. સો આઈ હેવ રિટન હિયર E. સેકન્ડ નંબર છે લોર્ડ. સો લોર્ડ ઇટ્સ ભગવાન, યાની કે મેલ ભગવાનની વાત છે, અહીંયા મેલની વાત છે લોર્ડ. સો મસ્ક્યુલાઇન જેન્ડર, સો એનો આન્સર શું છે? H. સો લોર્ડ. સો ધ આન્સર ઇઝ લેડી. ઓકે. થર્ડ નંબર ઇઝ bridegroom. So bridegroom's answer is, third answer is I. Bridegroom means answer of its bride. Okay. Fourth number is God. So God answer is B. So God means goddesses. The match the pair of God is goddesses. Fifth number is waiter. So waiter's answer is waitress. Waiter answer is waitress. J. Okay. Shepherd. Sixth number is shepherd. So shepherd answer is A. Shepherd answer is A. Shepherdess. Okay. Sixth number answer is A. Shepherdess. Seven number sir. So seven number sir answer is F. यानी कि मैडम. सर तो मैडम. Then 8 number baron. तो baron answer is D. Baron answer is D. Baroness. Okay, baroness. So 9 number son-in-law. So son-in-law answer is C. Son-in-law answer is daughter-in-law. Okay, son-in-law's daughter-in-law. Then 10 number prince. So prince means princess. Okay, G. Princess. Then 11 number she bear. So she bear's answer is he bear. Okay. Next is prince. Prince answer is next is master. Master answer is P. So mistress. Master answer is P. Mistress. Then 13 number lord. The 13 number answer is K. 13 number answer is K. Where is here? K. Lord. K. Lady. Okay. Then 14 number Hirish. So Hirish answer is L. Higher. Okay. Hair. Then 15 number cow. Cow's answer is M. Cow answer is M. Bull. Okay. Next is host. Host answer is N. Host answer is N. Hostess. Then 17 number actor. Actor answer is S. S means what? Here is given actress. Okay. Actors. So actress. Then horse. So horse answer is T. Horse answer is what? The horse answer is T. So T. Mare. Horse. So mare. Okay. Then last to remain that nephew. So nephew's answer is R. Nephew's answer is R. What? Niece. And the last one is landlord. Landlord answer is Q. Landlady. Okay. So understood? I have written only answer as an option, but you have to write answer. मैं समझाव्યું પહેલાં તેવી રીતે કે ક્વેશ્ચન 1 ક્વેશ્ચન 2A આન્સર 1 હસબન્ડ, તેની સામેનો આન્સર વાઇફ, એવી રીતે. ઓકે. So this is about the question 2a. Understood? Now we will see the question 2b, that is rewrite the sentences using articles. So you have in your examination paper the sentences like this given, so you have to write the answer only, but like whatever the changes you have done, that you have to underline it. Okay, that I can understand that this is the correct answer. Okay, see the first one. Manager of Oberoi Grand is my uncle. So article the manager. So the both article I have written. The manager of the Oberoi Grand is my uncle. Okay. Second is river Ganga is in India. So river specific river ની વાત છે આપણે, તો river ની આગળ શું લાગશે? The. So the river Ganga is in India. Third number is Prime Minister of India will visit Republic of China next month. So the answer is the Prime Minister of India will visit the Republic of China next month. Means both the article will use here. Fourth number is Bajoria School is opposite petrol pump on Boyk Road. So the answer is the Bajoria School is opposite a petrol pump on Boyk Road. Though both article are used, the also and also. Okay. Then fifth number is the Taj Mahal is in Agra is popular tourist attraction. So the answer is Taj Mahal in Agra is a popular tourist attraction. Sixth number is Samrat won first prize in the competition. Samrat won the first prize in the competition. You have to rewrite the answer. Okay, the sentence is given but correct કરીને આપણે rewrite કરવાનું છે sentence આખું. ખાલી એવું નહીં કે the એવું આન્સર ખાલી લખી નહીં દેવાનું. You have to write the whole sentence. Okay, like this you have to write the whole sentence and જે article use કર્યું એની નીચે underline કરવાની. Okay, then next is 7 number. Wind is blowing gently. So the wind is blowing gently. 8 number. Our sports day is on 4th of May. So the answer is our sports day is on the 4th of May. 9 number. Tapan chopped some firewood with big axe. He peeled firewood behind his house. So the answer is Tapan chopped some firewood with big axe. He peeled the firewood behind his house. The article is used here. 10 number. I need taxi because I am going to airport now. So which article need here? A and the both. I need a taxi because I am going to the airport now. Okay, so both articles are used here. 11 number. Ritvik has pictures of ape and panda. He likes picture of panda. So which article needed here? So here I have written that Ritvik has pictures of ape and panda. He likes the pictures of panda. Okay, so the article used here. 12 number. Apple a day keeps the doctor away. So apple, so you have to put an before the apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay, so understood question number 2b. Okay, so now we will see the question number 3a. But this is the article, you have to rewrite the sentence. I told you that you have to rewrite the sentence like this, and whatever the answer you have to underline the answer. Okay, so this is about the question number 2b. Now we will see the question number 3a, that is fill in the blanks using the given verbs. આપણે બોક્સમાં આવી રીતે verbs આપેલા હશે અને તમારે એને સિલેક્ટ કરીને નીચેની બ્લેન્ક્સ ફિલઅપ કરવાની રહેશે. ઓકે, સો ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ આઈ હેવ રિટન વિથ આન્સર ઓનલી, સો આઈ વિલ રીડ ઇટ. The flight will have at 4:20 a.m. Then second number is we are going to buy the cake from the new bakery on Church Street. It is about the future tense and future perfect tense, okay, and future perfect continuous tense. So future continuous tense also here. So we have to write about this. Options are already given in your examination in the box. You just have to write down the answer in the blank. Okay. So first one is the flight will have at 4:20 p.m. For second number is we are going to buy the cake from the new bakery on Church Street. Okay. So second number answer is are going to buy. Then third number is my grandmother believes it will rain tomorrow. So will rain will come the answer. Fourth number is next year I will have been playing at this dove for years. Fifth number is by the time you see this I will have reached the England. Sixth number is I am going to see my best friend in the summer. Seventh number I will come with you to the airport. Eighth number is in June next year you will have been driving for 3 years. Ninth number you will be seeing Tamanna at school tomorrow, won't you? Tenth number is shall we go out for dinner tonight? 11th number tomorrow Iris will be sleeping all day. 12th number by the time we get there Rohan will have left. 13th number is he will be meeting them tomorrow at 8 p.m. for dinner. 14th number is after finish this essay I will have finished all of my holiday homework. 15th number don't visit me in the afternoon. I will be washing the cloth. I will be washing cloth. Okay. 16th number this time next month I will be playing on the beach. 17th number he doesn't understand what he did wrong, but he will find out. 18th number my sister refused to help. I will never ask her for anything again. 19th number if he keeps on eating like this he will finish all the food in a day. 20 number by 2018 I will have been working in this company for 5 years. Okay, this is about the future tense, future continuous, simple future tense, future perfect and future perfect continuous tense blank. Okay, so you have to fill up the blanks from the options are given in the bracket in the box and you have to write down the answer. Okay, so now we will see our last question, that is rewrite the sentences after correcting the errors. So here you will have about the tenses chapters 15, 16, 17 chapters sentences. You have to rewrite it with the correcting the sentence. Means for example is given that I are not working at present. So can you put are with I? No. So what you will put? Am. I am not working with at present. Okay. So this is the answer of the first one, that I am not working at a present. Second number is why is all those people laughing? See, all those यानी कि it's a plural sentence. So can you put with plural is? No, we cannot put with plural. What we will put? Are with plural form. So here the answer is, why are all those people laughing? Next is third number. She when his friends is practicing judo. She when his friends is. So અહીંયા friend પણ plural form માં છે. So can you put is with them? No. So the answer is are. She and his friends are practicing judo. Fourth number is, what games is those children playing? Is those. What games is those? So the automatically it's a plural sentence, so we cannot put is. So answer is are. What games are those children playing? Fifth number is, what you drinking? Can you say what you drinking? So the answer, what is that? What are you drinking? So we have to put to be form. What are you drinking? Then sixth number is, he returns from London last week. So last week અહીંયા ઓલરેડી કહી દીધું છે, यानी कि past tense છે sentence. કયો છે? Past tense. So the last one માં he returns આવે? No. So the changes of returned. So he returned from London last week. Okay, S na ave, returned ave, past form of the verb. 7 number is, Ankita has already completing her class 7 exams. So has already completing? No, here is the mistake. What's the complete answer is? Completed. Okay. 8 number is, Rohit has enrolled in a college. Rohit already enrolled. So the answer is enrolled. Rohit has enrolled in a college. 9 number answer. First question is 9 number. That is, I seen some interesting advertisement. So I seen? No. I have seen some interesting advertisement. So 10 number, Jayant has decided to work in a bank. So the answer is, Jayant has decided to work in a bank. Okay. Last one is, it's a, don't see this 12 number. Last number is 11 number. The answer is, first question is, I will see him yesterday. You can see will is written. Will means it's a form of future tense. It's a form of future tense. So can we put with future tense yesterday? No. It's a past tense. So what will come except yesterday? Tomorrow. So I will see him tomorrow. So understood, this is the question number 3B. So all question we have discussed here. Let's see again with the all question. I am just revising the question. First question is that write down if it is abstract or concrete noun. I told you about this also. Then we will see the question number 1A. It's underline the countable noun and circle the uncountable noun. Okay, so I have circle and underline it. And then question number 2A, it's a match the nouns of masculine gender with the correct nouns of feminine gender. So we have already correct, and I told you about the how to write the answer. I have written the answer in between as an option, but in examination I told you that answer and husband, so direct answer you have to write wife like this. Okay. Then question number 2B, it's a rewrite the sentence using article. આપણે articles use કરીને sentence ને rewrite કરવાના છે. Then we have seen the question number 3A. fill in the blanks using the given verbs. In the box you will have the verb options and you have to fill up the blanks like this. Okay. Then last question, we have seen that rewrite the sentence after correcting the errors. So the errors are given in the sentences, you have to correct it and rewrite the sentence like this. Okay. So understood all the questions. We have already discussed the question number 4th and 5th. So here we have completed our revision of English grammar. I hope you understand all the questions. Okay. Thank you.